Welcome to the Dreamsicle, a charming cottage here at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Step inside and this open, sunny layout welcomes you right in. The great room is bright and cozy, made for relaxed, easy island living. The kitchen shines with a center island and cheerful coastal accents. Pull up a chair in the dining nook for sunny breakfasts every morning. There is even a cozy den, perfect for movie nights or a quiet read. The primary suite is your peaceful retreat at the end of the day. Its private bath features a dual vanity and a roomy walk-in shower. A guest bedroom gives your visitors a bright, breezy space of their own. And with a second bedroom and a dedicated laundry, there is room for it all. This is the Margaritaville life. I'm Karen Lawell with Counts Real Estate Group. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.